cool this is.
So here is our new car. And what are we going to call the new car?
Slick.
Slick. Mercedes SL350 2005 plate. And convertible hardtop, all working.
Giving him a good wash today.
We're going to be giving him a good wash because we've killed half the population of flies and insects in Scotland.
And we just bought it yesterday.
We just bought the car yesterday. Overspray from the foam wash, another car that we're doing.
Yep.
But it's in pretty good condition.
It's a convertible as well, so at the end we'll show you the roof going down.
We'll do the roof going down at the end because it does work. And we've got a list of things that we're going to do to the car. Some cosmetic, and thankfully so far, touch wood, the engine and everything, drivetrain is working perfectly.
And also, I think that you guys would be glad about this.
Oh, what was that?
Pressure washer.
Pressure washer.
I think that you guys would be glad about this. We're still keeping.
We're still going to keep the Charger. It was up for sale in the last video, but we're keeping that.
Yeah.
We just bought this SL and we're just washing the family wagon, which is a C-Class. C200 AMG line. 2012.
And as you can see, there's like a million bugs.
Yeah, there's a lot.
So we're gonna have to get that.
Let's count them. You count the bugs, go.
No,
When did you revise anything? Okay, too many.
1 billion, but look, there's a dead fly, another dead fly, another dead fly.
David Attenborough had a field day in the front of this car. We just annihilated half of the midgie problem in Dumfries.
They probably sue us.
Yeah. So there we go. So,
We'll be washing that, don't worry.
what kind of stuff are we going to do to this car then?
We're gonna wash it, we're gonna foam it, and at the end we're definitely gonna show you the roof going down.
Yeah.
Which would be cool.
And we're going to clay bar it and polish it as well, eventually. And modification wise, we're going to get a new front grille, a new badge for the hood. We're going to do carbon fibre wing mirrors. We think we're going to do a lip spoiler at the back. Potentially a new head unit. I'll show you the inside later on, so I don't have the keys on me. We've got a new head unit to go in. And maybe quad exhaust tips. We'll see.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just going to wash it and enjoy it because the sun's out.
So we hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, let's go on with it. We're going to try some of this. Oh, got it in shot.
Yeah, I got it in shot.
Grease light and showroom shine. Waterless wash and wax just because we want to get out in the car.
Yes.
We don't want to spend 8 hours detailing it today. We want to get out when the sun's still out. So let's give this a shot, okay?
Roof
A bit at a time. Cleans the car at the same time as putting a bit of wax on it.
Yep.
We have washed the car before doing this.
Mm-hmm.
This just gives us a
Also, I think that on this channel we will be doing more of this car now than Mac, but we still will be doing Mac over here.
Mac's pretty much finished. He's not really.
We've done a lot of videos on him,
There's not a lot to do on him now because he's pretty much the way we want him, isn't he?
and we will do a video not just now, but in a couple of weeks maybe, and we'll get this modifier so that we can put the roof down and up and up.
Don't say that. It costs hundreds of pounds. It costs money in the YouTube channel.
But it's
man.
cool though, mate.
It is cool, but it costs hundreds of. It costs like 300 quid, and I think we could spend that on other stuff at the start.
I thought you said it was 200.
Yeah, it's 279.99 or something plus money to post it here.
All right.
So it does cost a little bit of money.
We will get that at some point though.
Oh, will we now?
Yes, we will.
But let's say if this video gets 100 likes, we'll buy that.
Oh ho ho, guys.
100
And if
likes.
we gain 5 subscribers from this video.
Oh, let's go for 50 subscribers.
50,
Yeah.
that's a lot
If
to
we get
ask
to
these guys.
if we get to 50 and we get to 100 likes,
Okay.
then we'll do that mod.
Also, please, guys, share this with your friends and make sure to subscribe.
Or just start out.
Yeah, we literally just started our YouTube channel not that long ago. And we want to gain subscribers. And
yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
And the more subscribers we get, the better, because then we'll try and get better quality videos for you guys.
Let's do the roof quickly. It's in the shot. What are we using then to clean the glass? Maguire's
NXT Generation
Glass Cleaner. And a waffle weave towel. Doesn't leave streaks.
Nice.
So we'll do this first because we'll video the full wash of the car next time.
Yeah, we'll just do the windshield now.
Yeah, video the car. And we'll just do this, we'll wash the car. But because we want to go out in it, I also want to be able to see. Just gets all the bugs off the windshield.
Nice.
You videoing?
Yep.
Right, so we need to replace, this is the passenger wing mirror, and it's got a lot of condensation in it and it's quite faded and dull, so I think we need to take the wing mirror off, the screws inside that hold this in.
Right.
It pops out once you take the casing off.
Cool.
We might carbon fibre wrap these when we've got them off, so we'll see. That's one thing we need to do. And then what else defects is there? Not too many, to be honest.
Honestly, yeah, not that much.
I think what we'll do here is definitely in the back spoiler. I think we're going to get the carbon fibre lip that goes all the way up around the brake light and down to here, the proper one. We'll do that, will we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the wheels have actually just been resprayed, and when I first saw the car I was wanting to do these in gloss black. But now that I see them like this, because they're so new looking, there's only a few minor touch-ups, I don't know.
What's happening?
We're doing videos. Discussing the things we want to do, and just stop it, bub.
Here is the roof going down, people. Look how cool this is. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.